This artist recorded his vocal in a home studio in Ohio, USA, and wanted to transform it into a professional house track. Here's exactly how I did it. The song already existed in another style.
Only the tide changes, maybe swell, but only the right changes lift you up, leave you feeling well.
But this time he wanted to completely transform into a house music. Here is the vocal track he sent me with slower tempo.
I find my way again, I know I can, better than before. My foggy arguments go deeper than the deepest, darkest hole.
The biggest challenge wasn't the recording quality, it was the tempo. The original song felt too slow for a modern house group. If I kept this original tempo, the energy simply wouldn't work. So I suggest him that we can improve the tempo for a better sounding. And he is agree with me and I increased the tempo. Here is the vocal sound after increasing by tempo. Let's hear.
I find my way again, I know I can, better than before.
And the old one is that
I find my way again, I know I can, better than before.
too slow, right? That's why I increased the tempo and sound feels like more vibe energetic.
Find my way again, I know I can, better than before.
After increasing the tempo, I arranged the whole music. This song was a rock song. Now we are going to convert into a house track. So the sound is bit of interesting, right? Let's hear the musical part and see how is it. After creating the musical arrangement, I glue together the voice part with the musical instrumental part and mix the voice with EQ compression, saturation, etc. to make a sound more professional. And after all mixed and master, here is the final version with the vocal and the instrument. Let's hear something.
My foggy arguments go deeper than the deepest, darkest hole. Believing in the things I hadn't found before. My darling argues really well when she said maybe 3 or 4. When only the tide changes, maybe you swell, but only the right changes lift you up, leave you feeling weird.
So sound is completely house vibe and sound is completely amazing, right? And after that, when I delivered the full song, he was so pleased and he gave me a big thank you on WhatsApp. Here is the screenshot. You can see the screenshot of his opinion. So, this is the way I work remotely. If you have any song written or created melody by yourself and want to produce a professional song and don't want to go a expensive studio to produce this song, I can help to produce your song full remotely, so you don't need to give extra time in expensive or studio. Just send me your vocal recording so I can arrange the music part, edit the vocal, mixing and mastering. This is all from remotely. So you can send me the vocal recording whether from your home studio or a simple mobile recording, doesn't matter. I will manage everything full remotely and I will create a 60-second demo for free before you commit anything. If you like the demo, we can finish the song together. See you.